Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much. It is an honor for me to be here as the Member of Parliament for Edmonton Mill Woods, my friend and colleague Jasraj Singh Hutland, Member of Parliament for Calgary. My friends, brothers and sisters, we stand with you and for you to follow human rights for the Oromo people. In no time should anybody feel that they are being threatened to be put in jail for political purposes or to be attacked and killed the way that we're seeing that's happening there right now. So we stand with you. I have asked in the House of Commons from Justin Trudeau about his funding that's going to Ethiopia. Why is that continuing? Have they been asking questions on human rights? They should be asking before any funding goes through. We will be presenting petitions in the House of Commons on this as well, so we thank you for signing those petitions, and please, we will be sending out more petitions. Please sign them.
Yes.
Because we will stand with you. As Canadians, we believe in freedom, we believe in human rights, justice for all, equality for all, and we stand with you in that regard. Thank you.
Brothers and sisters, I can't say it any better than my colleague. We stand with you in solidarity, and we will always stand up for human rights. So thank you for being here. We look forward to presenting these petitions put forward by you guys, and we're excited to move things forward. So contact us, let us know what you need from us, but let's push this message forward. Thank you so much.
So we would like to thank you all MPs on behalf of Oromo community. Thank you very much for coming here. And also we would like to thank Ibrahim Wado to help us all these things. Ibrahim hanalero sa kanugulati pa dahil Thank you. Okay guys. So kana tiang sudah menggudok kayaknya. Dakika to kutok ko dan sudah bersani.